Acid rain. You breathe out 4% carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is how to say carbon dioxide. You breathe in air with 0.04% carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Yes, because all the trees and plants that live in the forests and woods and the plains, they're all doing the opposite. They're taking carbon dioxide and turning it into oxygen. So it's no wonder that, they're winning. The early atmosphere of the Earth, of course, had loads of carbon dioxide coming out of volcanoes and stuff. And the early plants went, way, loads of carbon dioxide, let's grab it all. And since then, they've done a pretty good job. Carbon dioxide joins with rain by dissolving. Carbon dioxide dissolves in rain to make acid. The acid called carbonic acid. Carbonic. Yes, this is natural acid rain. Rain is naturally a little bit acid. It's a weak acid, carbonic acid. CO2 plus H2O gives H2CO3, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is natural acid rain. Carbonic acid, well, contains carbon, is a weak acid. Yes, it doesn't give away its hydrogens very easily into water. Strong acids like the hydrochloric acid in your stomach gives away all of its hydrogens. Yes, have all of them. And that makes it very dangerous for dissolving things. Carbonic acid, no, only about 1 in 200 of the hydrogens is actually sent into solution. So it's a 200th less acidic than the hydrochloric acid in your stomach. Power stations make the electricity you get from your wall sockets. Yes, your electricity. Push in the plug into the socket. To make the electricity for your wall sockets, power stations burn coal. Yes, there are also power stations that use nuclear fuel, and others using gas, and others using solar electricity, and others using wind and hydroelectricity. There's a lot. Hydrothermal as well. But the biggest one still is coal burning. So you shouldn't waste electricity because it burns more coal, wrecks the environment. Burning is called combustion. Trees buried underground for millions of years become coal. Coal has tree fossils. That's better. In coal, there are tree fossils. Coal, oil and gas are fossil fuels. Yes, they're called that because you can find fossils in coal. Coal burnt in German power stations is expensive and has few impurities. Burning coal, the coal from China, more impurities. That's why the air is much better in Germany than it is in Hong Kong and China. Burning coal makes heat rise to make electricity. Coal is carbon and sulfur. Yeah, carbon, carbonic acid. Sulfur. Carbon burns in air. Sulfur also reacts with the oxygen in air. Oxygen. Most of Hong Kong's electricity comes from China and is made from cheap Chinese coal. Coal burnt in Chinese power station has lots of sulfur. Man-made acid rain is sulfur acids and nitrous acid. Nitrous acid also comes from burning coal and other fossil fuels. Nitrous acid from cars. comes from petrol cars and diesel cars. Acid rain dissolves the mineral ions out of leaves so that the trees die. Acid rain dissolves concrete buildings so they crack and tiles fall off, and the tiles fall off. Editing. Your skin is continually growing so your head won't dissolve in acid rain. Rain is naturally acidic due to carbonic acid from carbon dioxide. Burning is called combustion. CO2 is made by the combustion of petrol in car engines and other fossil fuels in power stations. Combustion also produces nitrous oxides that make nitrous acid rain. Coal combustion makes sulfur dioxide that becomes acid rain. America spells sulfur with an F rather than PH. Cool! Did you spot the one spelling mistake I did on purpose? Send me a message. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!